Welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the FoxWallet application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once you open it up, tap on the search button and now type in FoxWallet to begin your search. Once you find the FoxWallet application, you can tap on it and then check out the application info, as well as the reviews that have been left by users. Now tap on the install button to begin the download and installation, and you will need to wait for a while until this process is completed. You can also tap on the auto open toggle, which will automatically launch the application once the installation is done. Once you open up the application, you will have the option to create a new wallet account or log into your existing one. So proceed with either one of these and you can start using the FoxWallet app on your device right away. So there you have it. That is how you can download and install the FoxWallet application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.